I'm feeling more like red, but I don't think this red is the one I want. Let me get the one I want. This is the one I want. It's called the Grwm, and it's number 2234. Is this red? I don't even know. There we have it. So let me go do this other eye on a shot, and then I'll come with the full face bit. So I've finished the whole look, so here it is. So here is the look. I'm not a lash girly, but if you are, they would eat if you did put lashes. And yeah, everything is toned down the way I like it. I don't like harsh makeup, as you can see. Yeah, so please subscribe. Obviously I'll take some photos, attach it to the video, and then you can see how it looks. Okay, bye bye.